In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Princess Makeup app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you're unable to use this app, maybe the app is too slow, it can't open, or it takes too long for it to work, or sometimes it crashes, then follow these steps to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, there are quite a number of steps you need to take to fix this. In the first method, we need to access Little Princess Makeup app info page, and you can do this by going through settings. Alternatively, the shortcut method is just long press on your app and you can see we have app info. However, depending on your smartphone, if you're missing this, then you should have a settings gear next to it or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Princess Makeup app info page. From here, we need to clear the app data. So if I go to storage, you can see a breakdown of data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. These are just small files that your app normally collects each and every time you use it to enhance user experience. The problem is when these files accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. To fix, go to clear data down below and choose clear cache and then OK. And as you can see, now our cache data has been cleared. From here, restart your smartphone, open your app, and this should fix your problem. In most cases, this is enough to fix your issues. But should you still have a challenge, then come back to app info page for Princess Makeup and go to clear all data and click OK. At this point, you'll need to log in afresh to your account because you'll be logged out before you can use the app. However, should you still have a challenge, then you need to go to Google Play Store or App Store and find out if we have an update and then update your app to the latest version. So I'm on Android, and if I go to Play Store here, I just search for Princess Makeup and it is, I'll run the search, and here if I tap on it, find out if we have any update, then update your app to the latest version. By updating your app to the latest version, this will fix any issues that might be affecting your app, and also this will help you get the latest version of your app that is supported. In most cases, this now should be enough, but in case your app crashes, then for that you will need to uninstall your app. Just tap on uninstall or go to your apps, remove your app completely, and then install it afresh. So by following any of this, now you should be able to get your app running. However, if you still have another challenge, maybe it might be you don't have enough space on your phone, and for this you'll need to clean up by just deleting some unnecessary apps, images, or even photos that might be occupying space on your phone. So it's important to do this, or even clear trash to free up space. So that's how you can fix this app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.